I'd like to circle back to a question on Daily Journal to wrap things up. Daily Journal and some of your holdings. This question comes in from Moshe Sable, who says, in a previous shareholder meeting back around 2018, you spoke about BYD and said Journal Technologies is not quite BYD, but added that, by the way, it might work out just like BYD. Now, a few years on, do you still find Journal Technologies can turn out similar to BYD?
Well, it won't be as fast, that I guarantee you. And it won't be as great. I can also practically guarantee that. BYD is one of the most remarkable venture capital type successes in the history of the world. He was the 8th son of a peasant. Had an older brother that recognized his young kid was his younger brother was a genius. And the older brother sacrificed himself to get this peasant son into some good engineering school, and he became an engineering professor and then an entrepreneur. And how many times you get a story like that? And imagine buying a little bankrupt auto company in China and turning it into something that this year they're going to sell more electrical cars than anybody else in the world. At a time when electrical cars are hot. And it's a remarkable story, but again, a very unusual human being, Wang Chuanfu. And by the way, in his case, it wouldn't have happened if Wang Chuanfu hadn't been so unusual.
Unusual how?
He's a damn genius, and he's been thinking about the right things 17 hours a day all his life. He's a workaholic, and he can do things that ordinary human beings can't do.
Is that the favorite stock you've ever purchased, BYD? Or Costco?
Well, I would say, yeah, I have never helped do anything at Berkshire that was as good as BYD, and I only did it once. Our $270,000 investment there is worth about $8 billion now, or maybe $9 billion. And that's a pretty good rate of return.
Yeah, it's more than pretty good.
Yeah. We don't do it all the time. We do it once in a lifetime. Yeah. Now, we have had some other successes too, but I don't think hardly anything like that. We made one better investment. You know what it was? We paid an executive recruiter to get us an employee, and he came up with Ajit Jain. And the return that Ajit has made us compared to the amount we paid the executive recruiter, that was our best investment at Berkshire, was paying an executive recruiting firm to get us Ajit Jain. But again, it only happened once.
Yeah, that's quite an investment too. Mm-hmm. Charlie, I just want to thank you for all your time today.
All right, we're all through, I guess.
And being so generous.
And I guess our meeting is over.
And we'll turn it back over to Charlie.
And I'm glad I'm still here to do one more with you people. We've been at this quite a few years. So my best to all of you. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Thank you, Becky.
Thank you, Stephen. Thank you, Charlie.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you.